So we're about to candle our eggs. You're supposed to candle between 7 and 10 days. We're at about 11 days, so we're a little late. But you want to look in each egg to see how the chick is developing, if it's developing, and if it's not developing, you kind of discard those eggs so they don't explode in the process of the 21 days. So we're going to check each egg and show you guys what we're doing. So these are the eggs we're going to be candling today. First we want to take this top off. Oh, let's see how many days. We're at 9 days right now. Make sure you're in a dark room. Getting real close. Oh, that's developing nicely. I can see it from this side. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
You can see. Come on. See that chicken?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. Come on. You have a better angle over there. You see it? That's the air bubble on the chicken.
So it is one in there.
Mm-hmm. So that, this part here, let me get my pencil right. No, this part here is the air bubble. And then this is the chicken over here. You see anything?
No.
Hmm. Turn it upside down. Oh, there you see it. See it? Ooh.
Yeah.
I feel weird turning it upside down. You can see that air bubble real good. Come on, close. Not too much on there. I don't see anything.
Mm-mm.
Turn it over and see if I see something. Nope. I wonder what, is that just a dud? I don't know. Oh, we just late. Actually, I see it through the camera and not in person. Can you see the vein like on the bottom of the camera? Well, not right now, but you can get a better angle of it. Okay, do it again. See that vein right there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it's just, since we're doing it so late, it's pretty full in there. Yep, that one's developing. Yeah, that's a good view.
Yep.
Yep. See development there. Go around the egg a little bit. I see it through the camera, not in person.
Mm-hmm.
So with our handling, we did 10 eggs total. 8 of them are shown in the video. They look all viable to us. We'll see if all of them come out to hatch. Let us know in the comments below if you think any of the eggs that we show are not viable, or you see something that we should probably pay attention to. There were 2 that are marked with an extra X just because they were a little fuller than the others. So just wanted to check those out. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel and follow us to see how these chickens grow up. You'll see. We'll keep some of them, I'm sure. Maybe not all, but we'll see. Thanks for joining.